So in the spring statement, the Chancellor confirmed savings to government running costs of 15% by the end of the decade. But as we know, priority areas such as defence and health are actually increasing their spending. And so this means that unprotected departments with high running costs are really going to start feeling the heat. We won't get to hear the finer detail until the second phase of the spending review reports back in June. But it's likely that those departments are really going to have to start thinking carefully about both what they do and how they do it to ensure that they're right size to address their priority initiatives. These are likely to have to align with the government's 5 missions, especially if they can help drive economic growth. So this means doubling down on good organisation design and workforce planning to make sure they've got the right skills in the right place. To support this transition, the Chancellor also announced a £3.25 billion transformation fund. So this is going to be used to invest in innovative new technology, including AI, to make sure that our public services are as efficient as possible and also are addressing user needs. Government departments are really going to have to exploit that fund if they're going to make the level of savings necessary. What was once seen as a playground for techie nerds now needs to become mainstream. In our research with the Department for Science, Innovation and Technology, we found that innovation attempts around 70 to 90% of the time fail to meet their full potential. So departments are really going to have to be nimble. They're going to have to learn from failures quickly and make sure they are prioritising that investment into things that will deliver real value, especially if they can deliver cash savings. Departments are also going to have to work together to make sure that they are adopting shared, scalable solutions to make sure that they don't end up with a fragmented, unsupported landscape. The Chief Secretary to the Treasury recently announced his plans to gain greater financial transparency across all departments. The scrutiny, therefore, on the savings being achieved is never higher. The Treasury is going to be looking for swift progress and making sure those spend to save initiatives are bearing fruit quickly.